Hey everyone, welcome back. Most people think their phone is just sitting quietly in their pocket, but the reality is very different. Your phone is constantly communicating with dozens of companies in the background, even when you are not using it. I recently tested something that honestly surprised me. Many people recommend the DuckDuckGo Privacy Browser for privacy and security. They say it blocks trackers and protects your data. And then by chance, I came across a video about it on YouTube. So I decided to try a simple experiment. Inside this browser, there is a feature called App Tracking Protection. And when I turned it on, something shocking happened. In just a few hours, my phone tried to contact thousands of tracking companies. Yes, thousands. So the real question is this. What exactly are these apps sending in the background? And who are they sending it to? Now let me show you the experiment step by step so you can see what's really happening inside your phone. First, install the DuckDuckGo Privacy Browser from the Google Play Store. Open the app. Tap the three dots at the top. Go to Settings. Then open App Tracking Protection. This feature is not always enabled by default, so press Continue and turn it on. The app will ask for simple permission. This is because it uses a system similar to a VPN, so it can monitor connections that other apps try to make. But there is something important you should know. This is not a real VPN. It doesn't change your internet connection. Its only job is to monitor tracking attempts and block them. Now comes the interesting part. After activating it, just leave your phone and use it normally. Open your apps, browse the internet, watch videos, do everything as usual. Then after a few hours, open the app again. And this is where the surprise appears. Here you can see I have opened my browser after a few hours. The browser has shown a full report. You can see how many tracking attempts happened. In my case, these are over 2000. You will also see which apps tried to communicate with tracking or advertising companies. For many people, this number is shocking. Sometimes it reaches hundreds or even thousands of attempts in just one day. This doesn't necessarily mean the apps are spying on you. Most apps simply use advertising networks or analytics services. But what this feature does is reduce the amount of data leaving your phone. And that means better privacy for you. Personally, I'm gonna keep this feature enabled from now on, but I'm curious about you. Did you already know about this hidden feature inside the DuckDuckGo Privacy Browser, or is this the first time you are hearing about it? And would this be a reason for you to install it and maybe even make it your default browser? If this video helped you discover something new, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.